here at WTI and check out this absolutely gorgeous outdoor fire heater. This is the Planika Faro outdoor heater, and it has transformed our outdoor space. I absolutely love this thing. So of course, first and foremost, it is a heater. So if you have a small outdoor space and you just want a little bit of extra heat, especially as the sun sets on the summer nights and it gets a little bit cooler in the evening, this is perfect for that. It runs on propane. We use the same propane tank that we would use to run our barbecue. It's very easy to light. And then, as you can tell, it is beautiful. So it's got this gorgeous glass enclosure. This blocks a lot of the wind so that your flame isn't moving all over and going out, but it also lets you just be able to observe and enjoy the flames. I love the black stone in the bottom. I love how you can adjust the flame to be very low or higher. It is so beautiful in the evening as the sun sets, or at night as that extra ambiance, kind of like hanging out by candlelight. So pretty. It's also on wheels, so if you want to move it around your patio, it's very easy to do, and then of course you can lock it in place. I also love that it comes with a cover. So this is a zippered cover, very easy to take on and off, but it protects it from the rain, from the bugs, from the dust, so that it's always ready when you are. So I cannot recommend it enough. It is beautiful. It works so well, very easy to use and care for, but it makes all of the difference. We get lots of compliments on this. Everybody loves it. I love it. I recommend it to you, and that's my point of view.